Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to be making Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. We have Brussels sprouts all cut up right here right now. What you want to do is cut the Brussels sprout in half. Like that, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. What you want to do next is have 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and then just apply it all around the Brussels sprouts. Give it a nice mix. And then after that, you want to add some garlic salt. Just sprinkle it on. And then next what you want to do is add some black pepper. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is preheat the air fryer. We're going to set the air fryer at 380 degrees for 12 minutes. And then we're going to let it preheat first and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer has been preheated at 380 degrees. And we're going for 12 minutes total. Okay, we're going to take the Brussels sprouts and we're going to put them in the air fryer. Okay. Toss them around a little bit just to get them all spread out. And we're going to put them back in. Okay, so what we're going to do at the halfway point, around 6 minutes, we're going to toss them around a little bit, just so that they cook evenly. Okay, it's been 6 minutes and now we're going to toss them around. Looking good so far, very hot. And now we're just going to toss them around just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put them back in for the last 6 minutes. Okay, it's been a total of 12 minutes and let's take them out. Oh yeah, looking great. This is what we have today, Brussels sprouts made in an air fryer. Give it a try, it's really delicious and easy to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.